Raj, you okay? Raj, you okay? Raj got a bite on this leg. You got spider bite or ant bite?
Spider bite.
So you'll become a Spider-Man. Huh, Raj? You become Spider-Man?
The black spider.
Maybe it's a spider, or maybe it's not a spider. Maybe an ant. Maybe it's not a spider. It's an ant.
Papa, you don't say dirty thing on your foot.
Okay. Wash it. Huh? You're lazy, you know, because a dream, long time. The dream.
Where are you heading?
I don't know. You said there's some mall. I don't know where I'm heading. I'm just driving. You should tell me where is it. And some more. We're back again in the Western Mall. Small fits you. What are you trying to say? God, it's a Moscow. Why is it different?
It's a black
Huh?
blue thing.
Why is this mall is different?
Because it doesn't have McDonald's.
Mommy is in this shop. You're copying your mommy. Yeah?
Because I can. Because you didn't even see the seat that you just sit down.
Yeah, because you didn't go fast. That's why.
No, because you are just slow when. Security guard.
Just taking a glimpse.
Oh, no time. Mommy cannot see us. In KFC.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
I'm gonna eat fries and ice cream, but not for you, because you said that.
Mommy said
Break your hands.
hands, wipe your hands.
I asked her. Proper.
Philippines KFC is different. You get this gravy, you get a bison.
Oh, that's so
Soup. That's a soup, mommy.
I don't know, maybe.
And iced tea.
Hello, welcome to FILIDIAN family.
You just go to your shoes, right?
Mm.
Raj brought his school shoes. And Poo.
Don't say that to anyone. Hello.
Where are you now?
In your restaurant.
Are you gonna have or only Papa and Mommy?
What?
Only Papa and Mommy will have.
Yeah.
Or you?
I already eat.
This people, but we can also run.
Okay. We had our dinner. How was our dinner?
Not bad.
So full.
I did.
Mommy didn't enjoy the dinner. We go home. Tomorrow we are going to cook biryani. So we had to buy some ingredients. Hopefully we'll find some Indian ingredients here.
One left.
What is it? Supermarket.
For what?
For breakfast.
Yeah, I want.
Look, they have a dinosaur.
Papa, Mommy.
Dinosaur with cereals with dinosaurs. Egg. Here. That's what you eat.
I only eat cornflakes.
This is cornflakes with honey.
Scotland. To the side. Philippines. It's raining outside, heavy rain. Heavy rain in Philippines. It's heavy rain. No, I cannot see anything. Those kids are selling balloons in this rain.
And then I just saw barrier. I just saw Minecraft SpongeBob. So it will look.
Kabanatan mo rin yung friend.
Why are you putting some stuff